Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to get different headers on each page of your Microsoft Word document. I will be using Microsoft Word 2007, and keep in mind that this is different from say like MLA page numbers, where you go here, put some text next to the number, then the number would be different on each page of your document. Text 1, text 2, text 3. So I am going to show you how to have completely different headers on each page. So the first thing you want to do is change the first header to what you want it to be. I will do 1. You'll notice that it says 1 on every page now. So at the end of the first page, like at the end of the text, you want to make sure it's clicked. Then you go to Page Layout, Breaks, Next Page. Now, before you do anything, go straight to the header, then under the navigation menu, select this button, which says Link to Previous. By selecting it, you will basically unlink it from the previous one. So then you can change it to whatever you want. I am going to put 2, closed it, and then you will see that it is different from the first page. Now I will do this one more time for the third page. So at the end of the text, we make sure it's clicked, and then Page Layout, Breaks, Next Page. Go straight to the header, press this button, and change it to whatever you want. I will do 3. Close the header and footer, and you'll notice that I have a different header on each page. This says 1, this says 2, and this says 3. Now remember that if you go back to edit your document after you've done this, it's most likely going to mess it up since you have the page breaks in it. So I would recommend doing this one after you finish typing your document, and I also would advise against editing your document after you've put in the page numbers. This is just the method I use for doing it, so thanks for watching.